Good morning, kapatid, kapamilya, kapuso. Start na tayo. Start na.
Kama ka kasi dito. Indak-indak ka. Oo nga.
Oh yes.
Morning! Saan yung dalawa?
The body ready. And 2, 3, recover, repeat. Here comes the good warm up. Because we really need the body ready to take on. We're going to build endurance into your body like no other. I mean, this really is the way to get in your best shape. You go the extra mile. That's how it is a miracle. That's right. Come on now, pick up those feet. 4 easy moves. You know them.
Gusto ko nga, galing ko yung tripod ko na mataas.
Ako meron, kaya lang sira na.
May ano din yan eh.
Ay, meron din.
Ay, ganun din. May remote din.
You know, later on we build these into much bigger movements. We add the arms, and that's when you can call on so much muscle. Out together, no matter what they Here's 4, and 3, and 2. An easy kick. Just go ahead. Any do, don't worry, is it right or left? Keeping
Pa nakaka-recover.
that's how you get fit. Not worrying about learning steps. It's not the steps that even get you fit. It's the speed. Keep the pace. Even if you're walking all the way through it, you'll get fit. One more count. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. Walk, 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 walk. Again. Back to walking in between. Pick up feet a little bit higher. On you. You're ready to go 5. Yeah, thank you. Wonderful. Come on. And 4. And 3. Knee lift ready. So a knee lift. All you do is make sure you've got a really strong and stable core. And when you do that, you simply just take the belly button. Draw it back toward the spine. You flatten up that deep muscle. Oh my goodness. That's it. You lock in your core, you're ready to move with big movements. That's where that power is coming from. From the middle. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. Walk, 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 walk. Good job. Nice. All right, we're going to move around already. Let's go. All ready to go. Harry, Nikki, Nick. Yes. Nice. So let's go, guys. Let's get in motion right away. It's 1 and 2. Just stretch your legs out. Move the furniture. It's going to be a sweaty one. Yeah, it's good to have a little room. And back. And 2. Good. Forward. 1 and 2. Back up and 1 and 2. Good. Go 1 and 2. And back. Let's do it again. One more time. Up and back. And right here, guys. Pick up your feet a little bit higher. Open up and go right into kickbacks. Give me 4 more. Here's 4 and 3 and 2.
Kailangan ba partner? Ganyan yung partner mo na ito eh.
The body is
Violet.
That's how you feel so good.
Pero may green akong
When you're in that full range, that big
bago sampay.
kick back 2 more. Here's 1, here's 2. Let's walk. Walk, walk, walk. Nice. Walk tall. Pop those arms a little bit now. Every like 30 seconds.
Hindi na yan kumakain. Sinuwi na eh. Hindi kumakain ako.
Tight tummy in. Get that leg up there a little bit higher.
Gusto pa yung mga kondisyon. Kanin yun. Ito yan. Di ba aling maya ka lang? Oo. Damihan mo ng ulam. Ano? Ulam ang maya. Kanin. Ipino. Itlog. Dalawang itlog. Dalawang itlog sa morning, isang saging, tapos kape. Yun. Ako bawal. Bawal kape.
I'm gonna say you love it, but you know, we all know the benefit. It's so awesome to take the body into a work phase and a recovery phase. We're doing it right now. Hey guys, we're like, start a gentle jog. Start a gentle jog. You know, if any reason somebody says, okay, I cannot get in the high impact, I want to show them. Parang hindi naman high impact, do this.
Hapon, kumain ako. Hapon ako, alas 5. Ako minsan 5, 5:50, alas 6. Oh. Ay, tuwa pa! Kentuhan, sige. Tuwan, galor. Chismisan eh. Dati kasi tatanong na diet eh. Kapag ka nagaganto ka, at sabayan mo ng ano, wala din. Pag malakas ka kumain, wala. Lalaki ka lalo. Huwag mong biglain. Konti-konti lang. Kasi, di ba, galing tayo dito. Pag-uwi ko, gutom na ako. Ayun, uminom ka muna ng ano, tubig na maligam-gam. Wala pa naman ako disiplina na sa katawa. Ako, disiplinado sa pagkain.
Lalo pag puyong, ay nako.
Ayaw mo ng puyong, hindi ako kain yan. Yung biko, puyong, lawlaw. Lawlaw ba? Hindi. Yung lawlaw, ano yun, nilinis yun eh. Ah, okay. Puyong ang matinik. Oo. Isi-isi sa amin. Practice daw sila. Sabihin natin lang. Yan. Dami nagtitinda sa parola ng ganyang speaker. Dami ko rin. Di ba fiesta sa ano, Gainta?
Marami na dito.
Dami.
Ano lang yata yan? 1,000. Oh, one arm strong.
So, pili tayo na
You can extend the arms into a little.
Pwede rin. Pag wala pa ng pambili, daling ko yung karaoke kong malaki. Kailangan ng sasakyan.
8 more. Go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, walk, 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 walk. Okay, you start. Good, good, good. Come on, what is that next thing? 4, 3, turn the hips. Good. Just a little shift. So get light on the feet. Here it comes. Shift your weight. Lift your arms. Forward and back. Come on, one arm strong.
Good morning, Mang Rene.
Straight out, straight out. One arm strong and hold you stable. The other one's flying. Go, go, go. How about just one more big one? 4, 3, 2, walk, 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 walk. Nice. Woo. Oh, I know you feel good. Wow, that heart rate is up. and the body's getting so challenged, it's burning a ton of calories, the muscles are active, the heart and lungs are working strong. Nice. Come on, that is the way to walk yourself healthy. Keep doing it. Let's get a little more cardio in. Pick up feet.
Magkaragat ka nga lang.
Let's give it a little stretch, guys.
Marami mga murang speaker kaya lang basag ang tunog.
Basag?
Oo.
This is a nice time in the workout so you can get some full range of
Ano ka ng brand?
lengthen the body. Let's go up one more time. I love it. And then
Diba?
deep breathing.
Brand.
Maganda talaga yung may brand talaga.
Yeah, a little back stroke. So take your arms and throw them back. Nice.
Kung may sidecar nga lang ako, di dinadala ko yung Karaoke DB malaki.
Full range. Last two. Right now, just a walk.
Sigar.
Open up feet, kick back. Okay, lift the heel, hamstring curl. Lift the heel, there you go. Hamstring initiates the move. Get into it, guys. Talk to those thighs. There you go. Nice. We're gonna move around.
Ayan si Kain, galing McDo.
Three and four. Back up. 4, 3, 2. Extend the arms. Keep them there. 3 and 4. Back up. 4, 3, 2. Come on forward. Here we go. 4, 3 and 2. Back up. You are activating core muscle just by throwing those hands to the front.
Sure.
I'll tell you when to pull back. Not yet. 4, 3, 2. Now 4 up. Here we go. Now start the arm. Pull. Back up. 4, 3. One more time. Forward. Back it up for 4, 3. Walk. You got that. Good. Nice. All the muscle in all the directions. Another. Hey guys, step and tap. You're gonna step and tap 2 times forward, 2 times back. Get the path of motion first. 3 and 4. 3. My leg didn't want to go yet. Now it does. Step. There we go. Step. Step. Now step and tap. Get the path of motion going first. You feel good knowing what you have to do with your feet, right? Anytime you want, add a knee lift, guys. Ready? Come on, step. Knee, step. Hey. Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3.
Parang hindi ka nag-concentrate kayo na. May kalaban ba? Pinawit na.
Everything gets healthy when you speed walk, when you fitness walk. You're doing it today. Come on. Pick up those feet. Tap out 24 and 3 and 2 and ready? So tap out now. Tap out. Tap out. Tap out to the flow. Then we're going to follow those feet with the arm. Like this. Here we go. Follow the feet. That's all you do. Extend the arm and go. You are walking yourself healthy. You're walking yourself strong. You're walking yourself happy. Yes. You're walking yourself smart. It's just the brain. When we get up and move, that's just the brain. They absolutely more focused, you're more focused, you're more creative. Come on, you gotta get up and fitness walk. 3, 4, 5 times a week, that's what I want you to do. 4, 3, walk, whatever your goal. If you want to maintain good health, I think 3 times a week are very strong for you. If you want to lose weight, 4 or 5 fitness walks a week, I know you're going to say, I love how this feels, I love the results. Hey, arms, ready? Up high, let's go. Up, and up, and up, and up. This is a fitness system to get you results. It's not a fitness walk, you know, for just, I don't know, just a recreation. I think that's how you feel it out. And you gotta go out and walk around the neighborhood and do it. It's so healthy. And I told you, this is the type of walking that gets you results. 4, 3, 2, walk back, under that, There we go. Wow. Strong. All the basics are so good. And you know I love the end of my basic section with this. And that's high intensity. I think you're starting to high intensity interval training. I call this walking. We're going to work and giving you a big high calorie burn. So let's do it, everybody. 4 counts back. 4 in place. 4, 3. Ready? Back up. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. In place. Stay here, guys. Stay here. 4, 3, 2. Here comes up. Here it is. 4 and 3 and 2. In place. 4, 3, 2. Back up. Let's go. Oh, I'm coming here. I'm coming here. With my buddy. 4 and 3 recovery ready. Here we go. Recover. That's funny, guys. Blow out that air. Nice.
Ayos na bro. For the record to. Si Mang Rene. Nailang si Mang Rene. Hindi raw kasi siya naka-uniforme. Hindi raw kasi siya naka-uniforme. Hindi siya naka-green. Kaya lumayo.
Alam mo yan. Kumain sila bago magsumba. Walang sabugan lang yung mga kahit walang pagkanin ng marakapuntan.
Strong to the end.
Ate, wala.
Just walk, walk. Nice. Kicks are coming strong. Kicks. Nice, everybody. Ready? Just kick right here. Kick. Tight tummy. Stay long in the core. Don't tip back. Good. Real strong. Nice. Kick and kick. Reach for those feet. Come on. Reach. 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 5, 6. Walk, 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 walk. You got it now. Other side. So here we go. Up together. Up together. Come on. Heart rate has to start coming down. Out together. Up together. Way in the beginning. Mile 1, you had your warm-up walk. You gradually build your heart rate up. You kept the heart for a long time. Now, this is where the heart rate and the breathing come back to normal.
Gagaling ba sila mga ba? Ay, hindi ko na. Wala na ako na sila dito na. Absent pa. Yun yung may ano.
Just an easy walk. Easy. 2 up, 2 back. All you do is walk very gentle.
Gagaling ba sila, Be?
Good.
Magagaling? Hindi ko alam. Wala ka rin ako nakagaling? Hindi ko pinansin sila. Kapag ko nakakabokot eh. Kasi ang nakakabokot nila. Hindi ka kaya natin sila pinansin pa natin. Pinansin kasi pag pinansin ko, mawawala ako dito. Ay, sana all. Bokot. Ay, ang lakas naman ng tuktok nila.
My dream team. They're my dream team.
Patatapusin nila tayo ba?
So do. Kick. Nice and easy kick. And kick. And kick. And kick. Good. Easy kick. Blow out that air. You already feel like you're getting your breathing back to normal. Heart rate is lower. Boy, is that a good sign of fitness? Wow. When we recover fast, it means you're strong. You are strong. Don't worry though. If you're just kind of getting used to exercise on a regular basis again, and you're trying to just get your good endurance back, that heart rate will start to adjust. You'll see that fitness happens naturally. You don't have to be worried about it or anxious. Just keep showing up for your walks. It just happens. You get a better life. You get a healthy life. I never want to be without my walking program. Never, never, never. As long as I'm blessed to live.
Wala namang problema.
I want to keep
Matiusin mo
walking
tayo.
strong. Nice and easy walks, guys. Nice and easy. Open up those feet, guys. Here comes the stretch. Way up there.
Tagal daw natin eh. Ay, mayroon pa tayong 3 sets ha? Hindi nila alam, may pakasunod tayo.
Closing up. Close up. Stretch across the back.
Oo, o kapaba ng kinain nila.
Stretch across the front. And let's go one side. Just reach high. You don't have to tip over too much. Just real long on the side. Real long. And the other side. Real long. Very nice, all the way down the leg. Blow out that air, we're going up, back up. Turn to the other side, same thing. Put the heel into the floor, and then just a little adjustment there to be sure you can stretch your calf, tight tummy, chest toward the thigh, you can put your hand on your thigh, put it forward and back, that's it, and all that air out. Go out. Up forward. Inhale.
Water break. Water break. Water break.
Thanks. Marami na naman tayo. Pag hindi pa kayo pumayat na, ewan ko lang sa inyo. Wala kasi ko alam. Maghapon na.
Panghit. Pangsahit. Yan mawawala. Wala talaga rin. Kuya rin yun.
Mabilis na kumilis siya. Nakakatiwaan niya si Murin eh. Yan si Mang Rene, pambato namin.
Pasok ka lang. Hindi, sinabi mo ako kay nanay, tanong lang.
Lumilipad.
Single double.
Oh, mahaba, porno.
Oo nga.
Pero tingin ko hindi mo naman makaka-copyright na ito. Tugtog lang yan. Wala namang ganong kanta eh. Nakapag-upload ako, wala namang nag-report na ano eh. Copyright ako. Pray na.
Si Kuya Joe,
Ay. Sino maglilid? Si Brother Joe? Ay, tawagin pastor. Baka makulong. Brother lang.
Ama namin nasa langit, kayo po ang Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat. Kayo ang Diyos na buhay na tumatahan sa liwanag at ama ng kaliwanagan. At kami ay mga anak ng liwanag. Sinabi po ni Apostol Pablo nung mangaral siya sa bandang Europa na mga kapatid, tayo ay mga anak ng liwanag. Tayo anak ng araw, hindi tayo anak ng gabi, sapagkat ang gawain ng kadiliman ay masasama at ang gawain ng liwanag sa araw ay mabubuti ang ginagawa natin. At tayo'y karapat-dapat na makapasok sa kaharian ng Diyos kapag tayo umalis sa katawang lupa na ito. Kaya patuloy tayo na magpupuri, magsasamba, magpapasalamat sa ating Panginoon na siya lamang ang ating inaasahan. Pasalamat tayo sapagkat mula kahapon, nag-exercise tayo at piningatan tayo hanggang magdamag. Ngayon, nandito na naman tayo para sa ating physical at spiritual na kalagayan. Panginoon, alam po namin na sa kalagitnaan namin kayo sapagkat yan ay ang inyong salita at ang inyong salita ay aming pinaniniwalaan. Kahilingan po namin, Ama, na ingatan ninyo ang bawat isa sa amin sa kanya-kanyang landas pag-uwi sa bahay. liwanagan po ninyo ang bawat tahanan ng bawat isa sa amin para hindi makapasok ang mga kampo ng kadiliman na naghahasik ng kasamaan at kabuluhan sa bahay. Ingatan po ninyo kami sa maghapon na ito upang hanggang sa magdamag para bukas muli kaming mag-exercise sa kalooban ninyo. Salamat po ang sa inyong pag-iingat sa amin. Ang bawat ingatan po ninyo ang bawat membro ng aming kapamilya. Kayo po ang maghari sa bawat isang tahanan namin para maghari ang kapayapaan, kagalakan at kasiyahan. Salamat Ama sa pagdinig ninyo sa aming kahilingan. Nagpapasalamat kami sa makapangyarihang pangalan ni Kristo Jesus na taga Nazaret. Amen. Salamat.
Amen. Oh, dating gawe. Picture. Picture. Saan tayo? Dito? Oh, dito ulit.